Next, we looked at the Van Heel levels of visualization, analysis, abstraction, deduction, and rigor. One thing I found really fascinating with these levels was, as a high school geometry teacher, we're right away diving into formal geometric proofs at the beginning of the school year. But the husband and wife duo of Pierre Van Heel and Dina Van Heel Geldof, they discovered that students were having many difficulties in geometry courses because of their lack of understanding of the lower levels. So how were they able to do the formal proofs? They believed that writing proofs required thinking at a comparatively high level, and that many students need to have more experiences in thinking at lower levels before learning formal geometric concepts. So this would go back to having students really dive deeper in building connections of geometry in the elementary and middle school levels.